I first of all wanted to thank you for the Next Step Obsessed course and all of that. It really works. I've even inserted that very simply into existing deals that have already been working that I was doing wrong, and it has been a huge help. So appreciate that on tightening up like the sales process. I think my question was similar to the previous question, except for that I'm like 8 months into a global RFP, and they've kind of gone dark. And it's a very large, like an Amazon, Microsoft, large global tech company. We were selected, and it's sort of like, don't call us, we'll call you.
Yeah.
Even though the monetization is huge. So it's sort of my executives, my CRO, like everybody breathing down my neck every day saying, like, what can we do to talk to, their people for executive alignment and get a next step. So, it's involving partners, it's very complex, but I think reinforcing what you said about the net outcome statement and the dollars that they're saving is just all that we can do, but interested in your perspective on that.
Yeah, and let me give you, thought I saw Ed earlier. Ed and I talked about this earlier on a private call. I'm going to give you some words to put around this, right? Because the last thing you want to do on a large RFP is lose it. The second to last thing you want to do is be following up or checking in, commission breath. Right? It's just, hey, it's Joy, I want my money, right? I know this is a big deal. That's what they hear. I know that's not what you mean, but that's what they hear. So one thing you can do with these larger deals, hopefully you've monetized, keep practicing. We can always get better at monetization. But the words that I want to come out of your mouth when you call them is, hey, I was thinking about you guys this morning. I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. I know we're looking at this and we saw X amount of improvement, potential for 1.6 million. In additional revenue to the company per quarter, or ability to have you guys do more with 4 less associates, whatever that outcome is. And hey, I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. If there's anything that I can do or my people can do, I want to make sure that we're doing everything we can to get you that $1.6 million. I'm here on my mobile. 720-660-3202 is very different than, hey Kane, I'm just checking in to see if you guys needed a new produce company, right? Or you guys needed a new supplier. Hey Kane, I was thinking about you guys in our conversation from 3 weeks ago. The fact that your current carrier, you're losing a lot in your produce. According to your numbers, about 40% of it lately with that carrier has been spoiled due to some heat and their ability to not refrigerate. Man, it's breaking my heart that money's going out the door. I just want to raise my hand, let you know we're out here, we are locked and loaded, we're ready to go. Anything I can do to help you recoup that 40% that you're losing right now, deal me in. I'm on my mobile. 720-660-3202 is very different than, hey, I'm just following up or checking in. So it might be a good time with this deal to call them and say, hey, was thinking about you. I just want to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you need from me, anything you need from my team, we are locked and loaded. We're ready to go. We want to save you or help you gain, focus on the outcome, deal us in or deal me in. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.